Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about cloud service providers. This is second video in series of VPS and RDP. So, let's start our video. Cloud service providers create VPS and RDP for us. They also provide other services related to internet. But you can't directly access their VPS and RDP. First you need to create an account. After that, they gave access to you to access Cloud Console dashboard. This is where you can get details about your VPS and RDP. But there is a bad news. You need to pay money for this. But you don't need to worry about it because there is a thing called free trial or free tier. In free trial or free tier, cloud service providers give free money for us to use to create and use VPS and RDP. Most of users use this method. But this available for limited time. Usually it is 1 year. There is another method for university students. Some cloud providers give free access for university students. They can use VPS and RDP until their university life is over. Now I will give brief introduction and special things about popular cloud services providers. This is my favorite one. This is details of free tier. There is a special thing called always free services in this. They are services that you can access free for forever. Oracle Cloud also provides free access for university students. But, your university must be registered in Oracle Cloud. AWS is another cloud services provider. It has 1 year free trial. It also has free access for university students. This is another cloud services provider. It provides free trial but only for 2 months. But it provides free access for university students via GitHub Student Developer Pack. Microsoft Azure is another cloud services provider. It provides 12 months free trial. It also provides free access for university students via GitHub Student Developer Pack. Google Cloud Platform is another cloud services provider. It provides 3 months free trial. It also provides free access for university students. There are a lot of cloud services providers available nowadays. So, there are a lot of free trials available. You don't need to worry about money. You can find other cloud services providers using searching on Google. So, I will end this video here. Let's see you in next video.